Hi friends, good morning, welcome to CRM1. In this video we will see how to show confirm dialog box in Dynamics 365. Firstly open make.powerapps.com in your Chrome or any browser. Then go to advanced settings. In right side corner click on settings. Next go to advanced settings. Next select your solution under customizations tab. Here this is my solution. Now select this solution. Now go to web resource. Click on new tab. Then enter your name and display name. Type JavaScript. And finally save and publish the web resource. Here we will see I am already creating my web resource pop-up. Pop-up is my web resource name and display name also. This is the JavaScript code. Next go to your form where you want to show confirm dialog box. Here my form name is Vukas. In form go to form properties and then add your web resource. Next call the JavaScript code on change of the field. Next click on OK button and finally save and publish all the customizations. Now we will see how it works. We will place JavaScript code on operation field. Here we will see if you select yes option it will show confirm dialog box. In case if you select no option you couldn't see any confirm dialog box. For more detailed information like JavaScript or anything, please check the below description link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.